Here is a Elcamino Super Sport. What you found actually belongs to my uncle. We're gonna see if we can't get her to start up. It's been sitting in this garage an awful long time. It's got a 454 big block, but it's a factory SS 396. So I'm gonna get started, see what we can find out how to make this sucker run. I'll put a battery in it. See, the sucker will even turn over. Boy, it's a cool car. Door panel's a little rough. Seat's in really good shape. Looks like there's a banjo case right there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's showing 32,557 miles. Gauge cluster's in really good shape also. Got a crack in the windshield. Headliner's gone. It's in pretty decent shape for its age. Don't got no lights on the dash. We'll have to set you guys right here. Oh, she's got juice. Not enough juice, but juice. Malibu. Wonder if that's for the mirror. Surely it is. Window. It works. I'm not going to roll it all the way down. Such a neat old car. Well, what I'm going to do is pop this cover off. Let's see if we can set it all up right there. We'll pop this cover off. Look at there. That looks almost new. Fuel line's right here, but I probably need to use it, so I will disconnect it from down here. And so I'm gonna get some tools and we'll get started. Okay, what I did, I took the fuel line off, found me an old lawnmower gas can. Hopefully that'll gravity feed enough down to the carburetor to fire this baby up. But now we move on to the next problem. My battery. I don't think it's up to the task. So, wonder what has a battery. That should work. Okay. Accelerator pump on this has gone bad. It's just been sitting for so long. So we'll probably have to help her out a little and getting started. So I got a battery pulled out. We're gonna pull this apart. Set him down. cables out of the way, maybe. Try to stick this big old puppy in here. Reach down into the spider-infested waters. Ah, that ought to do just fine and dandy right there. All right, now let's see about putting some beans to her. We'll set you guys back here. Well, maybe not right that close. Here we go. Getting in. Neutral. Power on. Nothing yet. Let's go again. Ooh, she's got life. She's almost there. She's thinking about it. Oh, lost the connection somewhere. But she starts. She's a running son of a gun. Oh, this ignition is harder than heck to turn. Okay, tighten up the battery cable and we'll be back. How's that for a first start in probably 15 years? My uncle thought it was 5 years ago, but it's been sitting here more than 5 years. Let's set you guys down. I think I keep losing fire. It's idling. Maybe I'm running out of fuel. sucker is running though. Let's see if I can't. Nope, those springs are just had it. They need some lubrication. Let's see if you guys will fit right there without dying. If you do, so long. Well, there we have it. It's gonna need a carburetor, that's for sure. That accelerator pump just is not working. Well, and we're not getting no fuel either. That's why the sucker ain't running. That fuel line is trash. So we need fuel, and then we got her. We can take this fuel tank back off. It burned through a gallon of fuel starting it. It burned through a gallon or half a gallon of fuel just starting the sucker. I might have to go get a bigger bucket fuel tank. So like, share, subscribe, do what y'all want. This will be part 1 of who knows how many parts of this old, but we need to get some parts before we can continue on it. And we are out in the middle of nowhere where we don't have any parts. So thank you guys for watching, and we will catch you on the flip-flop.